And
So
here
ये
we're
mayo
just
है.
gonna put this in this. This is a good approximately 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons we've taken mayo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Simple ketchup. Always use a good mayonnaise and a good ketchup. Once you got those two things right, then only you will have the right sauce.
So we have
And
the
have
ketchup.
some mustard.
और mayo कितना चम्मच लिया हमने सर?
Around 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons हमने
Yeah.
यहाँ पर mayo
Use,
लिया.
Tabasco.
Tabasco.
Very good.
And ये हल्का सा छिड़का है इन्होंने.
Few drops.
Few drops of Tabasco.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of chopped onion.
थोड़ा सा chopped onion.
Mustard.
हल्का सा mustard.
And we're gonna use pickles.
Pickle.
Use water pickles. Are fine, but they do make a crucial part. Keep them rough. Don't keep them very fine, so that you get a good bite to this.
Okay. So sauce में भी आपको जब वो एक bite में करारापन एक आएगा.
Yes, right.
करारापन.
Karara is the right word.
Yeah. So वो बड़ा मजा आता है ना sauce के अंदर भी थोड़ा लगता है कि something's infused and it's always nice to have that. ये जो sauce है ये multi-purpose sauce है और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं अब शेफ
Apple cider vinegar.
This is the vinegar. This is the apple cider vinegar, guys. You don't have to use a normal vinegar. और ये हल्का सा डाला है.
Like a little bit,
हल्का सा.
like a 5 drops or so for this quantity.
And here we go.
We're gonna mix this all together.
ऐसे बोगस बनाने के लिए सॉस की जरूरत पड़ती है और ये है वो सॉस जो आपको बनाएगा बोगर का वॉश.
Absolutely.
और अगर इसे आप मिक्स करेंगे तो आप करेंगे अफसोस. Are we ready?
Are you ready?
All right, so our delicious